Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will show you how you can use the scikit-learn library datasets like we have used in the previous videos or the previous tutorials, the Boston dataset here in the statmodels package for producing the linear regression using ordinary least square method, which is another form of a simple linear regression. Alright, so first of all, using the from scikit-learn.datasets, we need to import. Let's go ahead and load the Boston only, and we will write Boston is equals to load underscore Boston to load the data. Cool. So once we are here, what we can do is we can get the x and y values. So x is nothing but Boston dot data, and y is nothing but Boston dot target. Boston dot target. So we are good. Now Boston underscore model is equals to sm statmodels dot ols ordinary least square, which is alternatively called even the simple linear regression, and we have seen that in the scikit-learn as well. So provide the y and x, that's how you should provide it. Execute it. So good, no error has come. And then fit underscore Boston, let's say, and we will write Boston.model.fit. Okay, let's go ahead and execute it. Now with this fit underscore Boston, what we can do is I can get the summary, which is pretty useful. So if I go ahead and execute that, here is my summary. So dependent variable y, if I go down, go a little bit up to show you all of the values, method ols, least squares, what is f statistics, what is r square, adjusted r square, and log likelihood time, number of observations, and then the coefficient x1, x2, each of the independent variable. And if we see, there are total 13 independent variable, and we have the p statistics rounded. So wherever the p is less than 0.05, we will accept that, and wherever the p is greater than 0.05, we will reject or remove that. So like this particular variable, this particular variable, yeah. So these three variables are what p value is basically saying that they are not contributing. So the rule of thumb is if p is less than 0.05, we accept and keep it as part of our model. But if it is greater than 0.05, then it is of no use. So that's the rule of thumb, but that's an additional information. What I mainly wanted to show you is how you can use the scikit-learn datasets like Boston and all, use the ordinary least square from the statmodels package. So that's kind of a cross package analysis that we are doing. So we want to use the statmodels packages function, but on the scikit-learn datasets. So that's how you can do it, and that's pretty much all I wanted to show you.